Hi, let's format our BAII Plus Calculator correctly. You'll notice that my calculator is probably a different version than yours, but they all work the same way. Notice that it says 0.00. We want it to not show two decimal places. We want it to show all the decimal places. And we're going to check to see how it's doing arithmetic. If I put in 3 plus 2 times 10, I expect an answer of 23, using order of operations to know that multiplication comes before addition. If we don't use order of operations and we do it incorrectly, we end up with the number 50. Checking out our calculator, the 3 plus 2 times 10, without putting the equals in between, we get 50. That's the incorrect answer. So we're going to change the formatting on this calculator. We go to second, and when you go to second, now you get access to all the things on the top. On top of the decimal place is the format. Press that, and now it says decimal is 2 places. We don't want that. 9 is the biggest we can have, and if we don't put 0.0, it means when there's 9 decimal places, it will show 9, and when there's 0, it will show 0. So I'm going to press enter. Now I'm going to scroll up using the arrows to scroll around till I get to the CHN mode. That's chain mode, and that's what's giving us the incorrect answer of 50. Since I want algebraic order of operations or order of symbols, I'm going to go to second, then press that enter again, and now it says AOS. Once I clear, I can try that question again. 3 plus 2 times 10 is 23, what we think it is. Let's just go over a few more settings. Decimal places, we've seen that one. If I scroll down, we get degrees. If you're going to be doing calculus or engineering math, you might need to know the difference between degrees and radians. Not necessary for this course. This is our date mode. If you are European and you're used to day, month, year instead of month, day, year, you might wish to change it. But our textbook and all of the notes we do are going to assume we're using US mode. Next, US mode shows a comma as a thousand separator, and a decimal place separates the fractions, or a fraction of a cent. We could set this to European mode, which uses space as a thousand separator and the comma for decimals, but in Canada, we use the US mode. Finally, we get back down to AOS. Clear out of that, notice it doesn't say 0.00, and our calculator is set correctly.